Now, when you're simplifying a ratio, it's just like simplifying a fraction. You've got to divide all the numbers by the same number to simplify it. So what I encourage you to do is drop an arrow off. Now, I'm actually going to do this question twice, and you'll see why in a minute. Now, let's say some of you would spot that you can divide all of these by 2 because they're all even numbers. So put a little divide by 2 at the side there. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now, if you left your answer like that, you wouldn't necessarily get the marks because you've not fully simplified it. And the reason you've not fully simplified it is because you can simplify again. They're all even numbers again. So you can divide them all by 2 again. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Don't forget to put your dots in. 5 to 10 to 3. Now, you can't actually simplify any more because the only thing that all of these would divide by now would be 1. And there's no point doing that because if you divide by 1, you're still going to get 5, you're still going to get 10, you're still going to get 3. So that is the simplest we can actually get it, 5 to 10 to 3. Now, the reason why I'm going to do it twice is because we've had to take 2 steps there to get to our final answer. And this, by the way, is our final answer. 2 steps. We could actually have done it in 1 step. And this is because you should always divide by the biggest number that goes into all 3 numbers. Divide by the biggest number. Now, I divided by 2, but I could have actually divided by 4 if I have spotted that all of those numbers are in the 4 times table. And this is why it's important to know your times tables. If you know your times tables, you would have spotted that they were all divisible by 4. So if you divide all of them by 4, instead of dividing them by 2, you actually get to your final answer quicker in 1 step. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 40 divided by 4 is 10. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And there you have it. We've still got the same answer, but we've done it in 1 step instead. Which, if you want to be efficient, and all good mathematicians want to be efficient, it's better to get your answer quicker. So remember to divide by the biggest number you can. It doesn't make the other answer wrong. You still got us the right answer. It just takes us a little bit longer, that's all.